Have you ever felt that someone in your life is secretly spying on you, admiring you, and might care for you more than they let on? Maybe they're hiding it, or maybe you're just imagining things. Today, we're going to explore 7 signs someone secretly loves you. Number 4 is very important. Don't miss it. And by the end of this video, you might recognize that one person in your life. Before we start, if you enjoy this content, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Sign number 1 is that they notice small details about you. Remember, love doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers. You might mention your favorite coffee, snack, or even a song you like, and the next time, they remember it. Maybe you forget your own favorite snack, but they remember. This is subtle but powerful. It's a silent way of showing love. Someone who cares, even secretly, pays attention to what matters to you. Olivia and Brandon were having lunch one day when Olivia mentioned that she missed a specific kind of cookie from her childhood. It wasn't exactly a big moment, just casual talk between bites. A week later, Jake handed her a small pack of those exact cookies with a grin. No speech, no explanation. Just, he remembered. That's love whispering. Sign number 2, they protect you, even in small ways. It's not always about stopping danger. It could be emotional protection. They stand up for you in group situations. They check if you're safe. They make sure you're okay after a rough day. Notice who goes out of their way for you, not because they have to, but because they genuinely care about you. Maybe a friend comforts you when no one else notices, or sends a quick message just to make sure you made it home safely. That's someone's heart speaking without words. Check out this scenario. After a night out with friends, everyone scattered into different rides. Mia stood on the curb alone, her phone dead. A few minutes later, Liam's car pulled up right before Mia. She didn't call. He just noticed she was left behind and came right away. He leaned over and said, "Hop in, Mia. I wasn't leaving without you." Sign number 3, their attention follows you. Our attention naturally goes toward people we care about, which means even in a crowd, you might notice them watching you, smiling when you're happy, or noticing when you're upset. So if someone consistently notices how you feel, their heart is paying attention, even if they haven't said a word of it to you. Think about the last time someone noticed something about you before you said anything. At a friend's game night, Tasha laughed at something across the room. Without realizing, Noah kept watching her. Not in a creepy way, but in a way that showed he was just naturally drawn to her. Later on, when her smile slipped for a second, he caught it instantly. Their eyes met for a moment too long, and neither looked away. That's a big hint right there, friends. Now the moment we've been waiting for. Before we delve in sign number 4, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching this far. Sign number 4 is, they always seem to find excuses to be near you. This may sound subtle, but if someone is consistently looking for ways to spend time with you closely, love is probably behind it. Maybe they join the same activity you're doing, send messages just to check in, or just volunteer to help with small tasks. A colleague who randomly sits near you every day, or someone who shows up when you least expect it, that's their heart finding ways to be close. Here's a quick scenario of 2 unseemingly lovebirds. Every morning, Ethan somehow ended up in the elevator at the same time as Eva. Different floors, different schedules, but there he was always, never missing it. One day when Eva jokingly asked if he planned it, he paused, smiled, and said, "Maybe." The 5th sign that someone secretly loves you is, they listen carefully. This isn't just hearing words, it's remembering feelings. Weeks later, they bring up something you mentioned in passing, showing they were paying attention. When someone truly cares, they remember not just what you say, but how it made you feel. Months ago, Lucas told Hannah about the guitar his dad gave him, the one that broke and couldn't be replaced. He didn't think she paid much attention. On his birthday, she surprised him with a vintage guitar pick and said, "For when you fix it." He just stared at her, realizing she'd remembered every word. Now notice who's genuinely interested in your thoughts. That's love at work. Sign 6, they tease you playfully. Love sometimes hides behind humor, because saying "I like you" directly can feel scary. Light jokes, nicknames, playful challenge. It might feel annoying sometimes, but it's their way of bonding. Every time Zoe ordered her complicated coffee, Ryan teased her about needing a manual. She'd roll her eyes, fire back, and their banter always drew smiles from people nearby. But one day when their hands brushed at the counter, the teasing stopped. Just for a second. Their eyes locked and everything changed. So next time someone teases you but never crosses the line, maybe it's love in disguise. Sign 7. Their body language speaks louder than words. They lean in when you talk, mirror your gestures, or find small excuses to touch your hand or shoulder. Our bodies can't hide emotions completely. Even if someone says they're just a friend, their body might be telling the truth. Watch for consistency. If their actions and words don't match, their body might be revealing what their heart truly feels. Sitting across from each other at dinner, Alex and Lily barely noticed the group conversation. Every time one leaned in, the other followed. When their hands brushed under the table, neither pulled away. Their eyes met. No words, but everything was said. So there you have it. Remember, love doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers through small gestures, attention, and presence. Take a moment to think about the people in your life. Who's been showing you these signs without saying a word? Don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe for more insights. Sometimes the heart speaks without ever saying a word. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.